Hi, Z-Fam Mama here with
Kayla
from
Sadwick or A&K.
and we got a special deal on diffusers. And this is one that Kayla wanted actually. And go ahead. What were we gonna say?
The oils?
No, I wasn't gonna say it. I was just saying yes because I really wanted this one.
Yeah, and the cool thing with this is it was a diffuser and it came with 2 oils. So go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the oil's in there.
Okay, here it is. So it's a lantern diffuser, which I wanted the just Young Living's regular lantern diffuser because it was super cute. But then they had a special on this one, and just a second.
You got it?
I think so. Okay.
It has little stickers on the side.
Oh.
I learned that last time. Oh!
They have a charcoal diffuser this time. It was a special.
Oh.
This is they're not like selling this. Oh,
Wow.
oh, this is beautiful.
I like that. Can we take it apart?
That's so fancy.
It's kind of heavy.
Oh, it's kind of
Because it's real, isn't it?
It's, yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
it's metal. It's a metal frame.
Oh. Oh.
This is
So this
cute.
is just like what's that? What's the
Desert
It's just
mist.
like the
Desert mist. So you gotta make sure you line it up.
Mom.
This is what most people, it's funny because most people are like, it's not working because it has to.
It has to be like
Line up.
like right. I think it's right.
I just
have
take a-
glasses on. You think I could do it? No.
I just take a Sharpie and line
yes
where it meets up.
There it is.
Ta-da!
There we go.
Dun. Oh. And then it has a little on-off here, and the color.
Yeah. This
Okay.
is so cute. I'm so excited about this.
And then what came with it?
Oh, my favorite oils. Purification.
An RC.
A nice big purification.
Huge purification.
I know.
An
I'm
RC.
so-
You can't buy either one of those in a big 15 ml.
So
Oh, I didn't know
here's
that.
an RC
Uh-huh.
for you,
You can only buy them in a small 5.
and here's an RC for me.
So that's a
'Cause
huge
it's such
deal.
a good deal. It ended up this was like $45 for the lantern with the oils.
Yeah.
You can't normally buy, so it's a great deal.
This is a steal. I'm
We
so
are
excited
set.
about these.
When we move, I think every room in our house is gonna have a diffuser now,
Yeah.
and this will be in your room with this and this, and she'll be diffusing it all the time.
Oh yeah. Everyone's gonna be sick of
Would you diffuse those together? You think?
Sure.
Maybe.
Be a very fascinating smell.
It's probably super strong.
Breathing and
Probably
cleaning.
breathing. It'd
So,
probably you'd probably feel very
Fresh.
fresh
yeah.
and clean. Take a shower, diffuse RC, and purification.
Raven's a good one.
Okay, stay tuned, guys. We've got more. We got Advent coming up later, and in the next couple days, I should be getting my ER order, and it's a great one this month. So stay tuned and go check out A&K. They are darling sister
Thank you.
and channel, and they're so much fun. So go check them out. Thanks for watching.